So I'm Dr. Varinder Kanwar. I'm the Chief Executive Officer for the National Accreditation Board for Education and Training. I feel honored to be here. We got a very good participation as well as a lot of interaction took place in my session, which is basically towards the NEP and the ranking and rating framework. In India, this is something which is the requirement of an hour, that how to do your self-assessment of your own programs, curriculum, and at the same time, how to rate as well as self-assess yourself. I feel that this is a beautiful campus, and I've seen a nearby area and a very good infrastructure. Even faculty is well qualified. So I wish that these type of events should be there in the future also. In curriculum designing, in curriculum implementation, and finally the assessment. So this is what we discussed in today's session, and I am sure that whatsoever the discussion which took place in this session, if we imbibe those, or if we plan our curriculum according to those discussions, the students are going to get a lot of benefit of it. They can be a better placeable, they can start their own venture if the curriculum is properly designed. They can go for the higher studies, and it is easy for a student to get the international recognition also, and to transfer his credit to the international universities if we have a matching curriculum with us.